Nowadays, I'm sharing my information to you so that you don't need to research. And you're welcome if you find this helpful. Tribes, it's me again, Donna Bliss, your soul tribe. Today I'm going to share with you how I found out about the difference between a psychotherapist and a psychiatrist, because I thought I knew it. 4 years ago when I had my therapy, the first thing I asked my therapist was, are you a doctor? And then he said, no, but I'm trained in psychotherapy. So I asked him, what's the difference with your practice, and the psychiatrist? He said, well, psychiatrists can prescribe medicine. Because I was thinking, okay, so if that's what he meant, common sense told me, with psychotherapists, they can't have patients who's got delusions, schizophrenia, those with brain damage from injuries or accidents, and they're having trouble with their anger. So you really have to have that medication, right? And I was thinking, okay, so that's the psychiatrist's job. That's their specialty, right? So that's why I said, okay, now that ChatGPT is like been my go-to nowadays, if I don't know anything, I research what's the difference according to AI. There was this TV series 15 years ago I was watching, and he's got this term called shrink. And so I asked again ChatGPT, what is shrink? So it can be a psychotherapist or a psychiatrist, but it's a form of therapy, right? It's a form of healing. So nowadays that I'm well informed about mental health, so there are different types of therapy. There is hypnotherapy, hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy is more on the physiological, like if you have to heal muscles and your movement, that's also a form of therapy. There is music therapy, there is art therapy, so many types of healing. And so I was like, oh, okay, this is the type of knowledge you will know if you like research. You will be well informed, and don't get into that mentality that I don't know these things, that's why I'm gonna label it as something dark. That's why a lot of people are afraid of the shrink or the word therapist, because the first thing that comes to mind when you're uninformed is that, oh, that's for crazy people. And for those who are in countries that are not yet well informed and, not into good mental health, then you will think this because there's no education about it, right? And for some of us, me, I was like in the middle of it 4 years ago before my therapy, and I thought therapy, oh, that's for rich people, for Hollywood people who can afford it, because it's expensive. Like lots of Hollywood people are saying, oh, they are bipolar, so they need a therapist, or they are this and like that. So it's like, oh, if you have a mental health condition and you can afford it, you can actually heal, right? Nowadays, I'm sharing my information to you so that you don't need to research. And you're welcome if you find this helpful. I hope you share this to your friends, because there is no need to say, oh, place, that's a scary information when you say therapy, because you need to go to a professional once you hit 40s, because especially women, we're gonna have mental health issue with our perimenopause. Like me, 3 years ago, I had severe iron deficiency, severe vitamin D deficiency, and it affected my mental health, because one sign is depression, right? So I thought I was really depressed, and well, the therapist told me this, and that, and it's part of being a human being. And when you reach 40, that's when you lose a lot of people through death, or you have like relationships break down, divorces, and lots of life issues. And so that's when can't sleep, our mental health goes down. Our body nervous system has been in that survival mode for a long time. Then our brain health will decline, and it's not like you are crazy. It's what human brain does. When it cannot go through another more of stresses. If you're too stressed, you can't handle stress, it will manifest to your body. It's either you have a heart attack, you have heart condition, it will show to different parts of your body, and some people it will manifest in the brain. Like me, it manifested that something's wrong. I said to myself, but I don't know what it is, I just need help. So I went to my general practitioner here, and I said to her, I think I'm depressed, but I don't know why. And so she recommended the psychotherapist. That's my story here in my channel, what I went through with my psychotherapist and what he explained to me, everything in my channel if you're interested. So if you like to do healing, whatever it is, your childhood trauma, I'm sure there's a specific kind of therapy that you will need if you're into healing, because of course it will come. You will have to decide for yourself if you want to heal your negative thinking, your narrative. If you've been stuck all your life about your childhood trauma and it's affecting your relationship with everybody and your spouse, your family. As a matter of fact, there's this name called Marisa Peer. She does hypnotherapy. So she hypnotizes a patient, and it's usually childhood trauma. Her specialty is those who can't have kids, women who can't have kids, and women who tried everything, still wouldn't get pregnant. And this is their last resort, hypnotherapy. What is it that making them, mentally not capable to have it? And she said that she found out that it's a childhood trauma. Their brain was locked, and it has to be unlocked through hypnotherapy, something like that. So she will free you from it, from that thinking, that narrative you had, that it doesn't apply anymore today. How old are you now? For example, you're 50, you're 60, and you got stuck to that childhood when you were abused, neglected, emotionally, physically, or sexually. Something happens to a brain, to a child's brain when they undergo this childhood trauma. And I, for once, had this kind of trauma. A lot of kids who does self-harm need to have therapy because of this, because it will just go downhill if you don't have therapy. Your brain health will just deteriorate over time, So I hope you find what it is that you're looking for, what kind of therapy. That's all. That's why I'm here in YouTube, just to spread awareness. So you will know and you'll have a choice what type of healing you need or you can relate to. Somatic therapy, sound therapy, there's a lot of forms of therapy out there. So that's it. I hope you have a gold nugget today. It's a very short vlog. I hope you will be well informed now that you know these things. Okay? See you next time. Mwah.
Just living my life with no big worry. Don't wanna carry